Your Excellencies, the governors of the Southeast states, the President General and leadership of Ala-Igbo worldwide, our elder statesmen, Ndieze, my lords, our spiritual leaders, our mothers and youths, I bring you special greetings on the occasion of the Southeast Summit on Security and Economy. I was indeed duly invited to this summit and I plan to attend. Therefore, I regret that I'm unable to attend physically due to prior inevitable scheduled engagements that I had to be outside the country. This summit, which is focusing mainly on security and its negative impact on the economy of the Southeast, has come at the most auspicious time. It is very necessary that as a people we come together and put our heads together to find a lasting solution to this problem of insecurity in our homeland. Our mainstay as a people is business. No business, and indeed any other economic activity, will thrive in midst of insecurity. If we put our minds to it and work in unity and with mutual trust, we will find a way out of this problem that is alien to us. Let me therefore commend Your Excellencies, the governors of the Southeast, for initiating the idea of the summit and working together to make this a reality. Let me urge everyone at this summit and those of us who are not able to attend in person to speak up, contribute ideas, offer suggestions, and be part of the initiative or actions that will be agreed upon at this summit to bring an end to the problem of insecurity in our region. I pray that God Almighty will guide us, grant us the wisdom, strength, and courage to take the necessary steps to end insecurity in our own land, so that we can continue to work with our God-given talents and energy to restore peace, tranquility, prosperity in the Southeast, and indeed our dear country, Nigeria. I wish you fruitful deliberations, and may God continue to bless all of you.